Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2008 Honda Goldwing with 91,995 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, an intercom, and CB radio. It's been upgraded with the motor TRIKE kit, the driver backrest, tour pack luggage rack, rear fender luggage racks, passenger armrests, leather storage pouches, heated grips, highway footrests, rider floorboards, and reservoir covers. We've replaced the front tire. The Goldwing is the industry benchmark of the metric touring class thanks to its premium comfort, weather protection, and impressive performance. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 118 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It weighs in at 800 pounds and has a 29.1-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.